This video chart presentation of BeesFree Inc. brought to you by allpenny.stocks.com. BeesFree is a bulletin board listed company trading under ticker BEES. Stock has somewhat of a limited trading history, so I scaled this into a 3-month chart. Nice upward pressure day yesterday, up almost 12%. Came bouncing right off a nice support level at $2, up challenging near the 50-day moving average now. But of course, the key point in any chart to move above that level. What I'm seeing here is a nice shift over the last couple weeks. MACD histogram trending back towards zero, just now breaking through, showing a bullish cross of the 12 through the 26 EMA. Similarly, the PPO is dropping a bullish cross. The ADX is in a nice position to put together some upward pressure. Whenever the negative DI is up on top and the positive DI is down low like this, it's in a pretty nice position to take on some upward pressure. MFI 7 came down with a little bit of selling pressure, not too big of a concern, especially because the 14 and 21 both have an upward trend to them, holding over top of 50. That's a nice sign of long-term buying pressure. Accumulation distribution over the last month, making a slightly higher low. I'd look for this. I'd want to see a much sharper move now upward with some buying pressure to show that this is trying to break through a little bit of selling pressure that's going on. See the checking money flow, which is based on the accumulation distribution, still holding in the green. Tells you buying pressure has been outweighing selling pressure, but it is tapering off a little bit, making lower highs. Not only do I want to see it stay above zero to show good buying pressure, I want to see a further move upward to show even additional buying strength. CCIs talk about a lot of times. The break back through negative 100 will be a buy point for bottom feeders. It would be a hold unless it broke back down through negative 100. And in this case, held right at that level, moving back up towards the bullish part of the chart now by breaking through zero. This is a real nice look to the full stow. Upward channel being established, holding over top of 50. There's bullish momentum in the play. And the tricks is flatlining, and looks like a bullish cross could be coming as well. The relative strength index, which gauges momentum in the play, the 7, 14, and 21 have all pushed their way through 50 now. Another key element to a chart going bullish. Of course, those things are happening because this has bounced off $1.85 per share, all the way up to touch $2.50 yesterday, closing with a 50-cent move over the last 5 trading days, and that's helping shift the trend and the momentum of the chart. Now on the bottom side here, I see some nice support at $2. Of course, there is some all the way back down here at the 200-day moving average. Price per share is trending well above that at this point. That's something good to see. I want to see that 200-day trending upward and the price per share trending and holding above it. There's a little bit more support that comes into play right there around 220, 225. But on any pullback, I'd certainly want to see it hold $2. Now on the upside, a key breaking point for me would be to see it break through this 50-day moving average and start trending over top of it. That, of course, will curl this 50-day, get it trending upward, and a price per share that's trending over top of the 50 and 200 days, with both of them in an upward path, is a very bullish chart. So the breaking through that 260 mark is an important level from a dynamic resistance point. From the static resistance point, see a little bit right there around 275, $2.80. That's a level it's had a difficult time closing above for the last month and a half. I'd identify that as a key point to try and close above, especially if it can come through with volume. It's a thinly traded stock. It can move very easily with just a little bit of buying or selling pressure. And if it pushes through that, I think it's got a good chance of coming up here and testing all-time highs at 325. It's a pretty substantial upside of almost $1 a share from where it closed yesterday. See, it closed at 235. And that would be the point I'd be looking for with a break of this 50 and this static resistance points. Chart certainly looks like it's taken on a shift in trend and a shift in momentum with some good strength coming into it. And for those reasons, I believe this is one to keep on radar to see how it performs from here forward. But as always, this is merely my interpretation of the BeesFree chart. I'm not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.